Good morning, children.
Good morning.
I am your teacher for today. My name is Teacher Nancy. What's my name?
Teacher Nancy.
Very good. I know from your faces that you are all happy and excited to come to school today. Are you all excited to come to school today?
Yes.
Okay, why are you excited?
So we can learn.
Very good. Hi, Gia. Did I pronounce your name correctly? Hi, Gia. Hi, Gia. Okay, hi, Gia. So that you will learn today. Teacher also will be learning today. Both of us will be learning today. Now, when you woke up in the morning, just this morning, what did you do before you woke up? Bago kayo gumising, bago kayo gumising, anong ginawa ninyo? Or bago kayo pumunta sa paaralan, what are the preparations that you have done before going to school? Ano ang mga ginagawa ninyo? You eat, very good. Yes. You raise your hand if you want to answer. Zion, very good, Zion. You eat. What did you eat, Zion? You eat what? You eat eggs. You eat eggs. What else? Ano pa kinain mo? Fish, gulay. Okay. You eat, Zion eat eggs. Hi, Gia eat gulay. Who ate fish this morning? Akia. What you eat, huh? So, you have a homework today, so you did not eat eggs. Just this morning, you did not eat eggs. The other past mornings, you ate eggs. Okay, very good. Now, what are the nutrients that we get from the eggs? Ano-ano ba yung mga nutrients na nakukuha natin sa eggs? Yes?
So you can eat.
Irana, what are the nutrients that we get from the eggs? This is the egg. Okay, what are the nutrients that we get from the eggs? Ano ba yung mga nutrients na nakukuha natin sa eggs? Yes, the eggs makes us healthy. We can get different nutrients and vitamins from the egg, like vitamin B2, B1, B12, and choline, and all the other vitamins. And these eggs makes us healthy. Saan galing yung eggs? Itlog. Galing sa? Galing sa manok. Very good. Katulad ba ng chicken na ito? Okay. Yung egg galing sa manok na ito. Sino ba ang may manok sa bahay? Okay, marami kayong manok. Bukas magkakaroon kayo ng isa. Lulutuin natin yung manok ninyo. Nahin mo ng sabaw yung manok.
Ada. Iluto, kagam. Iluto, iluto.
Okay, very good. So this eggs comes from the chicken. Ngayon, what do we call the hen that lays egg? The chicken that lays egg. Ano yung tawag natin sa rooster? Very good, Irvana! Rooster is the hen. It's a boy. Very good, Irvana. Alam niya, Irvana. Let's clap our hands to Irvana. Rooster is the partner of the hen. The hen is a chicken that lays eggs. Now, what's the color of my? What's the color of? Is colored red. What's the color of the chicken?
Red.
have chickens at home. Do you take care of your chickens?
Yes!
How do you take care of your chickens?
Good!
Nagbango.
Painon!
Ha?
Painon!
Painom mo din mo og tubig, no? And then bawag ka.
Official, official.
Your chickens also shy. They drink fresh milk.
Animals!
Ah, okay. So your chicken running now, puti o kulay? Ah, red. Okay. Siguro sabi niya fresh milk. Fresh milk comes from the cow, but not from the chicken. People drink fresh milk. People drink fresh milk. So tayo, uminom tayo ng fresh milk. Yung chicken, hindi na sila uminom ng fresh milk, no? Kasi ininom nila, ano lang?
Tubig!
Ano ininom nila?
Tubig!
Tubig. Okay, yun. So, inaalagaan ninyo ang inyong mga chicken. Maliban sa manok, marami pa kayong mga alaga sa bahay, di ba? Maliban sa manok, meron din kayo? Aso. Meron din kayo? Erik. At saka? Langga. But the way, pusa. Uy, marami na. You have to raise pets talaga at home, no? Kasi talaga mag-alaga ng pusa, iring, manok sa bahay nyo? Very good. So these children really love to take care of these animals. Why? Bakit talagaan natin yung mga animals natin sa bahay? Para mangitlog ang chicken. Para di mamatay. Para na sila baby. So yun, dapat no, aalagaan natin sila para mabigay sila ng itlog. So itlog, kinakain natin para manganak sila. Lalo na yung pig, no? Pag nanganak yung pig, we sold out. We sell all the piglets. And then we have we have what? Yung pig. We have money. Very good. Now, do you want to listen to a story about a hen?
Yes!
You like to listen to a story about a hen?
Yes!
I am going to tell you a story about a hen. A hen that is
Wow! I can read it differently.
a hen that is
Balay. That's a farm. That's a balay.
this is a farm. Sir, you really have a very intelligent people. And I cannot compete. I cannot with their intelligence. They're very active. They're very knowledgeable. They are very advanced. Before I ask the questions, they can answer. I think I will be having the demonstration for 30 minutes only, not for 50 or 1 hour, because the children are very participative. Now this is a barn. Yes, Hygeia, this is a barn. This is where the chicken lives. The name of the chicken is? What's the name of the chicken? Penny. What's the name of the chicken?
Ang galing yung rice
Okay,
sa
Henny
sa
Penny.
Pilipino isusunod.
You already have heard the story about
I
Henny.
know the name of the deep
Okay.
because I already read that.
Where did you get the book or the story? Nigeria. I just arrived 6 in the morning and you were not around. And the laptop is closed by that time. Where did you get that?
Because I see it already. Now I read it in my mind.
Advanced, smart,
You're very advanced and you are excused.
gifted child.
I'm sorry. Nakasuka ka sa demonstration na ito. Okay, parang. ko ng rules. Okay, but before reading the story, I will give you that excitement, children, because my Gia is very excited. I will read the words that I am going to paste here on the board. Not read the word yet, ha? I know for sure you can already read this. But this is what I prepared. Yeah, I know.
That's so easy.
But this is
That's so easy.
this is what I prepared.
Oh my God.
I should have prepared two for grade 6 and for grade 1. Should have opted to grade 6
Saan niya? Grabe
When
di
I
ay.
see
Grade 1.
this.
Ay, ganyan.
Pero wala na eh. Dito na ako eh. Kakayahan dito na lang. Okay, teacher will read to you the words that I pasted on the board. Word is bed.
Bed.
Bed. And the Okay, now, I know you're very excited for the story. I will read to you the story about Henny Penny. Henny, yes. Henny Penny. I will read the story first.
Ay, talaga,
Read
sure.
the story first. In the usual setting, this is what the teacher will do. The teacher will read the story first, idea. But if you already the story, allow the teacher to read it so that the transmission will not be fast. Henny Penny. This is Henny Penny. Henny Penny is a hen. What is this? What's the name of the hen? Very good. Henny Penny is a red hen. What's the color of Henny Penny? Henny Penny is Ben's hen. So who owns Henny Penny? Ben. So what is the color of Ben's hen? What's the name of Ben's hen? Very right. Henny Penny has eggs. Henny Penny has 10 eggs. Hey, how many eggs does Henny Penny have? What does Henny Penny have? Eggs. How many eggs? Let us count Henny Penny's eggs. Henny Penny has 10 eggs. Ben sees Ted. Hello, Ted, says Ben. Hi, Ben, says Ted. Who sees Ted? So Ben and Ted are what? They are what? Ben and Ted. They are? They are what? Like Hazel and Urbana. They are? Friends. Very good, Aliyah. Ben and Ted are what? They are friends. Ben says, Ted, Penny has eggs. What did Ben say to Ted? Ben says that Henny Penny has eggs. The eggs are in the nest. So where did the eggs located? Where are the eggs placed? In a nest. Have you seen a nest? Okay, this is what a nest looks like. You like nest? Why do you like nest?
Because you can choose it.
Because they're what? Urbana, make your voice loud so that your classmates can hear you. Because there are what? Baby chicks in the nest. So where are the eggs located? eggs in the nest? Says Ted. Get 1 egg, Ted, says Ben. So what did Ben say to Ted?
Get 1 egg.
Ben says get 1 egg, Ted. Why do you think Ben wanted Ted to get the egg?
So we can go and look at it.
So that he could go close to it and look at it. Very good. Para makita niya ng maayos yung egg. Very good, Hygieia. Let's clap our hands for Hygieia. So, therefore, when Ben says to Ted to get 1 egg, what do you think Ted do?
Cook it.
Took it. Very good. Ted took it. Took it or cook it? Cook it. Did he cook the egg? Yeah.
Cook it. Cook
Okay?
it.
Took it. But not cooked yet. Hindi pa nila niloto, no? Kinuha lang nila yung egg. So, he took the egg. Took. Oh, the egg fell. What happened to the egg?
Down.
It fell. Oh, the egg fell. Ted. Henny Penny's egg fell, says Ted. So, what do you think Ben felt when the egg fell from his hand?
Oh no.
Here?
Broke it.
It fell?
Broke it.
The egg was broken. And then what do you think?
Oh
It
no.
fell.
Oh no.
Oh no! So
I said oh no.
did Ted felt happy when the egg broke?
No.
What do you think he will feel? He
Sad.
feel sad because he broke the egg of what's the owner of the egg?
Penny.
Penny. Oh, says Ben. The egg fell, says Henny Penny. So Henny Penny looks at the egg that was broken. And what do you think when Henny Penny felt when you saw 1 egg was broken? Felt sad. Do you also felt sad when you do something bad?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think will you do next? If you did something bad and then your mother scolded you and then you felt sad, what do you think you will do next?
Sorry.
Very good, you will ask
Sorry.
And then, will you do it again?
No.
No. Okay, so let's continue. Henny Penny is sad. Very good. So Henny Penny is sad when he saw that one of her eggs was broken. I want 10 eggs. So Henny Penny is sad and still she wants to have another egg. Henny Penny said, I will lay another one. Henny Penny wanted to lay another one egg. Why did Henny Penny want to lay another one egg? Hey, Henny, if you want to answer, you don't answer it first. He said, why? Why Henny Penny wanted to lay another egg? Yes, she wants to replace the 1 egg that was broken. So Henny Penny lays another egg. And now Henny Penny has 10 eggs. So how many eggs has Henny Penny have? 10, because she laid another 1 egg to replace the broken egg. Do you like the story?
Yes.
Do you like the story?
Yes.
Would you like to read the story by yourselves?
Yes.
Okay, but
No.
Who says no?
Bumalik ko sa...
Who says no? Jay, you want to read the story, Jay? Yes. I thought you were saying no. It's only a joke, Jay. Right, Leg? Is it a joke? Okay, this is very handsome today. So, but before we will read the story, we will read the words that I have pasted on the board and the words that I will be pasting later. Okay, teacher will read the word, then you follow. Teacher will read the word first, then you follow. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes.
Can you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Bed.
Red.
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 Okay. Then we also have Ted and Ted. We also have again on the leg. Then another word. Very intelligent pupil. Then we also have again. Okay. What's your name, little girl? Anitra. Will you please read, Anitra? Okay. Bend ahead. If you want to read the word, just raise your hand. Hazel. A redhead. Okay. Jay. The bed is. Wala na. Okay, later. You will read later. But now, we will also read the story. Diba you said a while ago that you wanted to read the story by yourselves?
Yes.
Diba you said that you want to read the story? Why you don't want to read the story?
So
The
boring.
story? Gusto mo pala? But I prepared Henny Penny. So we will make Henny Penny later. Okay? So, she wanted to have a tula. She didn't want to read the story.
Busog.
Okay, so I would like you to read the story by yourself. Henny Penny, go! Okay, so this row will read the second. We'll read this part here, these two sentences. And that row will read the two sentences here. Okay, all together you read. Okay, your turn. Again, all together. The X, go. And then the second sentence. Very good. Okay, how about this one? All together. Okay, next. We have go all together. with your classmates?
This reading this book.
Oh, you're reading your own book. Are you not excited to read Henny Penny's story? You're excited. How come you did not read? You brought with you your own book. You set aside your book and then let us read all together the story on the screen, okay? Thank you. Okay, let's continue. Where are we? Saan na tayo?
Oh no!
Oh, okay, with feelings. Okay. Oh. All together. Okay. Then the last slide we have. What is this? How do you use this word? How do you read this? Again? Okay. Do you like the story of Henny Penny? Do you like the Henny Penny story? Why do you like the story? Althea. J-Ross? Why you don't like the story, J-Ross? You don't like a hen?
I like a head.
You like the hen. Do you love the story, Chris David?
Yes.
Okay. You too. So who loves the story? Okay, so you have a copy of this story. You just ask Harjia, where did she get the copy? So you ask a copy from Harjia about the story of Henny. Okay. Again? A copy is something where you can have a replica or copy is yung kopya ng story. So yung story nakalagay sa isang papel tapos binabasa mo. If you photocopy it, then you have a copy. Okay, so you will ask a copy from Gianna about the story. Okay, again, from the story. From the story, I know that you have understood the story very well. Where can we find the eggs? And the nest. What did the hen do in the nest? What did Henny Penny do in the Yes, Chris David?
Laid another egg.
Laid another egg. How did Ben feel when one of the eggs was broken?
Sad.
He was
Sad.
sad. So he was sad. So all of us, lahat tayo, when we did something bad, we felt sad. No, yung sinabi nyo kanina, you will say, what will you say if you did something bad and then you will feel sad? Okay, you will say sorry. Now, look at the words that I have pasted here on the board. May mga words akong naka dito sa board, ha? Basahin natin uli. At saka, yes, and then, again, all together. Okay, what do you think is the common letter that you can see among all the words na nandito dito? Ano ba yung nakikita ninyong palagi na nasa word dito sa harapan? We have the 10. Tingnan natin sa word na red. At saka sa word na... Makinig muna kay teacher. Ano ba yung kadalasan nakikita natin dito sa word na red at saka sa word na bed? Yung common, yung palagi natin nakikita. Yes, idea. Ano bang letter? Yes, the E and the E. So the word, the family, the vowel, that is E. And it belongs to the Ed family. Only the letter. Ano ba yung naiba dito sa kanilang dalawa? Anong letter lang naiba? P at saka yung? Very good. So yung common sa kanila is the E and the E and the D and the D. So therefore, this is read as, how do you read this? This is read as How about this one? The words here. Ano ba yung common dito? Yes, Kenby. Si Kenby. Ano ba yung common dito, Kenby? Yung common, yung palagi na nasa word dito, makikita din dito. Ano? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Sandali lang. O, wag mo na. If you want to raise your hand, wag mo nang sasagot. Pag tinawag na ni teacher, then that's the time na sasagot. Sige, Zion. Ano ba yun? Zion. Nakwa. Zion. What is common in the words here? Yung nakikita natin dito na letter, na makikita din natin dito. And then what else? Very good. Let's clap our hand for Zion. Okay. Meron tayong hen at saka yung bed. So, hen, bed. And then, let us read the words again that I have pasted here. This is what we call phrases. What do we call this, children? Kasi hindi pa complete. Wala pang tutok sa last. And it starts with a small letter. Okay. Dito, teacher, bakit palagi? Nasabi mo phrases. Kasi nga si Ben at saka si Ted, ano sila? Sila ay pangalan na? Tao. Very good. Kaya malaki yung literal, no? Sige, basahin natin na lahat ng mga lalaki, babasa dito. Lahat ng mga lalaki, ha? Go! Then? Okay, very good. Girls, will you please clap your hands for the boys? Lahat ng mga girls, babasa. Okay, lahat ng mga boys, let's clap our hands for the girls. Now, mag-isip kayo, think of words na may E at saka N maliban sa nakasulat dito. Okay? Mag-isip tayo ng words. May words pa ba na may E at saka N? Na word, o ano? Maliban kay Ben. Una, may Ben naman dito. Wag na si Ben. Marami na. Palagi na si Ben. Magbigay. Ten. May 10 naman dito. Mag-isip tayo. Red. May red naman. Huwag ng red. Yung mag-isip kayo ng word na may E at saka N. Yung nest, okay yung nest, kaya lang yung N yung nauna. No? Sa word na nest. Yung N yung nauna. Yung nauna yung E. Mag-isip ng word. Princess. Okay, but I was not, can I borrow a chalk, teacher? Princess! Okay, princess. Can you write the word princess on the board, Jay? Okay, Jay. Sige, Jay. Magsulat tayo ng word na princess sa
Ay, yung
board,
chalk kay
Jay. Ano, Jay? Nasa boss. Okay. Okay, ka, Jay. Sulat mo, Jay. Yung word na princess. Okay, Jay. Princess. Okay, let us read all together then. Okay? Okay? Is the word correct? Okay, who can write the word princess on the board correctly? Syria. Syria. Shara. Okay, Shara. So, very unique ang mga pangalan ng mga ito. Shana. Bebe, princess. Tayo ay naano dito sa word na princess. Write the word princess. Sabi lang si...
Daw ka smile.
Sige lang, malawan niya. Biglo-biglo.
Pagkapin sa simple
Princess.
Say mo.
Let us read the word princess. Okay, tama ba yung pagkasulat niya?
Dire. Princess.
Mother tongue. Oh, tama po mother tongue. Pero kapag English, tama ka, mali.
Anong mali?
Okay, mali. Sige, si teacher yung susulat. Tapos you dictate me kung paano ba sinusulat ang princess na word, ha? Sige, paano sinusulat? Ang word na princess. P. Pagkatapos. Okay, now, let us read the word. Okay, yung sinabi ko kanina, mag-isip ng salita, may A at saka M. Tama yung sinabi ni Jay. Kaya lang, N lang yung meron. Yung A, wala. But these are words different na ha. Kasi nga, ang sa inyo, yung mga words lang na kaya nyo munang basahin. Wala pang mga irregular na mga letters na pinagsasama-sama. Okay. Sige, Ben. Mag-isip. Base na lang sa mga balhin. Balhin ako dito.
Hen, gawin. Balhin mo. Balhin.
Okay.
Balhin mo. Tama.
Tama naman yung sinabi niya, balhin. Hindi ko naman sinabing English yung ibigay ng salita. No. O, pag sinabi ko, kung sinabi ko siguro, magbigay ng English word na mag-i-end. So yun, pero hindi ko naman sinabi, very bright, Shindy. Balhin, tama. Can you write the word balhin on the board, Shindy? Come here, Shindy. Kala ko pagbalhin mo na ako doon sa board, Shindy.
Sa kanahin. 40. 40 minutes na. Da. Balhen. Kamu ba? Balhen be?
Tama, mali. sinabi English yung ibigay. Sinabi ko kay English? O balhin. Very good. Clap your hands for Shelly. Balhin. Pero actually, yung balhin. In Bisaya is ay talaga, no? Hindi. Balhin talaga. Okay, but Cindy tried her best. Let's clap our hands for Cindy. Okay, now, how about words na nagtatapos sa E at saka D? Oh, may bed na tayo dito. Head. Oh, meron na tayong bed. Bad. E at saka D. Head. Magbigay ng word na may head. Head. Here. Head. Very good. What's your name? Zyria. Zyria. Fed. Oh, meron tayong fed. How do you write the fed? Alright, the fed on the air. Okay, how do we spell fed? How do we spell? Sige, go. Let us all together write the word fed on the air. F-E-D. All together, lahat. Everybody raise your hands. Sige, let's write the word fed on the air. And then E, and then D. Let's clap our hands for Sarina. Okay. Now, let us read the sentences. I have here some sentences na for you to read. Since you can already read the phrases, I want you to read the sentences. All together. Yes. What's your name? Hazel. Will you please read, Hazel? Okay, Ben is with Dad. How about you, Hera? Will you please read the word, Hera? Okay, my pet is a hen. Sino nga ulit dito yung my pet na hen? Taas yung kamay? Very good. How about you, Jack? Jack. You Jack. The hen. Again? The hen is red. Okay. All of those words, yes, down mo na yung hands. Mamaya na tayo magbasa. All of these words, lahat ng mga words dito contains the en and the ed. All together, let us read the sentences. Go! Okay, how do you read this? Okay, the hen. Hi, Gia says the hen. So, he pronounced this as a. The hen is red. So, tama ba? Tama, mali? Tama, no? Sige. Bakit naging mali? Sige, bakit naging mali? Aysa, hindi muna tayo magbabasa sa second sentence. Ito muna tayo mag-correct. The hen is red. So, there are two ways, dalawang paraan ng pag-enunciate ng word na ito. Dalawa. How do you read the first one? The and the. Dalawa. Sandali mo na. The at saka the. Dalawa ha. Paano ba natin babanggitin ang the? Paano natin sasabihin ang da? Ang word na ito. Da kapag ang nagsunod na letra kapag yung nagsunod na letra ay PHE ba? Kapag ang nagsunod na letra ay hindi ba? Wells. Hindi vowels. Be, ano ba yung mga vowels? Ano yung mga vowels na nalaman natin, na pag-aralan natin? Ano ba yung mga vowels? Limang vowels yun ng alphabets, right? Di ba lima? O ano yung vowels na yun? A. O A, tama yung A. A. Meron pa, lima. Lima sila. A. Diba? Diba talaga? Okay. So yung five vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. Kapag ang mga letrang ito ay kasunod ng salitang the, of course, babasahin natin as they. Pero kapag hindi vowels ang kasunod, the, ang pagbasa natin. Ano ang pagbasa natin? Very good. So let's ask it. The and go. Very good. Another. And then. Okay. Yes. You have questions? Okay. Sino ba may mga katanungan pa dito? May mga tanong pa kayo? Wala. O, anong tanong mo, Alex? Gulay? Saan din pong gulay? Alex, ano man tanong mo? Ay, tanong! Ay, yung tanong yung pagkarinig mo. Tanong sabi ko, may questions na ba kayo? May tanong ba ba kayo? Kayo ba'y narinig mo? Are you puzzled or kayo ba may mga katanungan pa sa isip na hindi maintindihan sa ating leksyon? Meron ba kayong mga tanong na hindi nyo? Meron ba ang mga gusto nyo malaman sa ating leksyon ngayon? Meron pa ba? Wala na. Alam na. Alam na kung ano-ano ang mga salitang may E at saka N. Alam na kung ano-ano ang mga salitang may E at saka D. F at saka N. Alam niyo na ba? Oh. So yung E, common na nasa gitna. Ngayon, kumuha kayo ng inyong papel. Pagkatapos, ay sasagutin natin kung ano ang nasa screen. Isulat ninyo or look at the words carefully. Fill the missing middle sound of each word to make the spelling correct. Use the picture as a guide. So, tingnan ang larawan. Isulat kung ano ang nawawalang titik na nasa gitna. Kumuha ng isang papel. Isulat ang inyong sagot sa papel. May tanong pa? Wala na. Sige, be, kumuha ng papel.
Already done.
Basta kayo. Pabagay ka sugod na.
Already done. Okay, then when we done.
Yun.
Suwat ni daan.
Saan sila name?
Of course. Isulat ang inyong pangalan.
Saan sila name?
Kapag tapos na, ipasa kay teacher. And we will check if your answers are correct. We will see if that
Medial sound. Swear.
What is number 2? Bawal mamulya. Bawal mamulya. Teacher, there is one teacher. There is one teacher.
Yeah. Oh, diretso answer. Do not draw. Do not draw the picture. Just write your answers. Just write your answers. Sulat lang yung sagot. Huwag mo na kayahin yung drawing. Huwag mo yung draw, ha? I think you're done already, no? Okay, Bill, I have your paper now. Let's make a picture. Okay, pass your papers to teacher. Make a check. Detach the paper from its pad. Okay, pass your paper please. Not the pad one. You try to guess.
Right?
Ano yung napag-aralan ng sound na nasa equal sound?
So easy. Very easy. And guys, English man na. I thought you know English. I thought you know English.
So easy. Maserte na ako din.
Nagpasubo.
Oh yes, I'm here. Yeah, let's check your word. Ay, talaga ha. Meron talaga kayong natutunan. Okay. So, wow, very good. Wow. Ayan, now you check your papers. But upon looking at your answers, you are all excellent because all of your answers are right. Tama talaga yung mga sagot nila. Okay, so what do you think? Let's check. Ay, wala kayong iba? Hindi pa tapos? Okay, akin na yung paper. Akin na yung paper. And then we will check na kung tama ba yung sagot ninyo. Okay, balik ka. Wala na? Please take it.
Wait.
Okay, let's check if your answers are right. Can we check your work?
Yes.
Ito, isulat natin sa Pisara ha. Would like to answer number 1. Taas lang yung kamay. Huwag mo nang sasagot kung ano yung sagot. Huwag mo na. Taas lang yung kamay. Tatawagin ni teacher. Sige, Alea, isulat mo dyan, number 1. Ano ang sagot, Alea? Sige, tingnan natin. Tama ba yung sagot ni Alea? Let us read the word. Saan ginagamit ang pen?
Para sa pagsulat.
Para pang sulat. Number 2. Taas lang yung kamay mo magsasalita. Hera.
Nagbisan siya.
Okay, two questions lang ha. Then we will go to assignment. Last na yan, Hera. Mamaya na, talikod-likod lang yung iba mamaya.
Number 3 ako. Ako number 4. Ako number 5. Ako
Will you please put your hands down? Okay, place it on top of your table. Top of the table. Tingnan natin yung sagot ni Hera. Tama ba yung sagot niya? Oh, ano yun? Oh, bakit naging mali ang sagot ni Hera? Who can check Hera's word? Check. Okay, basta mo check yung sagot ni Hera. Bakit ba? Man refers to only one. Men kapag four or marami. Okay. Sige, number 3. Sige, number 3. Matatawagin ni teacher yung tahimik. Kapag hindi tahimik, hindi na teacher tatawagin. Sige, number 3. I will only call those who are silent. And those who keep on raising their hands and shouting, I will not call you. So you put your hands on your tables and wait for teacher to call your names for you to answer.
Hey.
May tama na yun. Yung number 3 ka, dito. Tama na yun sa number 2. Tama. Tama na number 3. Okay, let's read Urbana's word answer. Okay, number 4 we have. Okay, yung mga tahimik yung tatawagin ko ha, yung hindi tahimik, hindi ko tatawagin. Okay, Ken, Rolly Ken. Very good. Let's read the word. Okay, last. We have Candy. Candy. Number 5. Candy. Candy. Okay, clap your hands for Candy. And let us clap our hands to those who answered correctly. Everybody! Now let us read the words again. Please write the there. Let us read the words all together. From number 1, go! Okay, for your assignment, get get your notebook in English and copy this. Number 1 and 2.
Dahil tubig si ma'am.
Susunod. Number sa notebook. Ay, number sa notebook. Ay, number 1. Number 1. Ay, get your notebook number 1. Get your notebook number 1. Number 2.
Teacher, pwede papel, teacher. Pwede papel ang assignment.
Wala kay number 1.
Paper.
Number 1.
Wala lang.
Your number is.
Number 13. Ay, nakikinig ko.
Ay, signal. Na?
Oh,